So I've got this 2023 A200 limousine, and it's been 2 years since I've had it, and just wanted to do a quick review on how the things are and my experience with the A200 so far. So I bought this in July 2023, and after a couple of months there was some issue with this ambient lighting. So I took it to the showroom, and they were very quick to fix it. There was some software glitch, so that was the first small issue. Second issue was the tires. The tires which came with the car, they were Pirelli run flat, and according to me they were shit. They didn't last long, 20,000 kilometers. So I had to change them. I've put very nice Yokohama tires now. सीधा चाहिए बाहर. So I've put Yokohama tires now. They are very good, and very happy with them. And then what was the next issue? Yeah. So I've been using the car, every day. It's done 35,000 kilometers. And it's done 35,000 kilometers. And I open and close the boot a lot. The back boot, I open and close a lot. So because of that, one of the wires, it was broken, almost broken. That's why, since it was almost broken, the reversing camera wouldn't function well. So that I rectified with a local mechanic. He joined the wires again, and since then it's been no problems. So apart from that, the car is beautiful, running smooth, absolutely beautiful, no issues. I've been enjoying the car, and I do a lot of driving every day. So far so good. We are in the inner lanes of Seawoods now, going towards NRI complex. So yeah, so apart from that, everything is good with the car. Really good and spacious front two seats, very comfortable. Back seats are also nice, as long as the front seats they're not reclining at the back. As long as somebody is using the front seats normally, there is a lot of space at the back. Apart from that, the car is really easy to drive, and this ambient lighting gives a very nice feel to it. So I have not had any problems with the ground clearance, although ground clearance is around 165 mm, but I've got 5 people sitting in the car along with luggage, but absolutely no problem with the ground clearance. So boot space, I want to say that the boot space is very less. It's around 400 liters, which is very less. So I wish it was at least 500 liters. That would have been ideal. But so far so good. Mechanically, no issues at all. I've got the servicing done, I think 2 times now. Yeah, 2 times the servicing is done. So third service is due in another 7,000 kilometers, and I've got the service package, so I don't need to pay anything for the servicing. So Landmark, Mercedes at Turbhe, they are excellent at servicing. So although I bought my car from Auto Hangar, Marine Drive, but Landmark at Turbhe, they are really awesome at servicing. So we are heading towards NRI complex. So yeah, that's about it. I'll keep you guys posted. It's been 2 years for me having this Mercedes A200 limousine, and so far very happy with the quality and the overall feel and the comfort. Everything has been superb. Thank you.